Did your coursework make you grumpy? Try Derby Diamond. So Derby Diamond starts here, which is where you get your assignment. And it finishes here, where you hand it in. Now what a lot of students do is that they start writing here in a document and just write all the way until they're done. That's not a good way of doing it. What you should be doing is reading. The more you read, the better your understanding of the topic becomes. We call that knowledge. Knowledge is what you need to make sure that you hand in a good piece of work that actually makes sense to the people who are going to judge it. Whilst you're reading, it is important that you make lots of notes. These notes will actually inform your writing. And when your writing is based on what you're reading and what you're actually deciding about it, then your writing will become a lot more precise and you will actually end up with a much better end result. Make sure that you plan a draft, and if you really want to and if you know that you need it, a second draft.